A murky and drizzly Tuesday at Force 13 HQ, but eastern shores have seen a brighter affair. However, the highest temperatures have been where you'd expect the coldest to be, 13 in places like Kinloss and Ultnahara in northern Scotland. Meanwhile, tip it upside down, and the low temperatures last night were mainly in the south of England, -4, even as far south as Bournemouth. Looking at the current situation, there are no freeze warnings in effect right now or any cold-related warnings for the first time since December 7th. There are still quite a lot of fog advisories and 1 or 2 small flood alerts in central England. However, conditions remain potentially ripe for flood concerns in Scotland this evening as that rain band continues to move through overnight, and you'll see it becoming at its worst in western parts of Scotland by the early hours of the morning. The rest of the country should remain fairly dry. Again, the better of the weather overnight in the east of England. That's where the coldest temperatures will be, but staying at about 7 degrees or a little bit higher there. On to Wednesday, you'll see the cloud filtering through again. Most areas will be cloudy, but again, eastern and southern parts of England will have the best of the weather. It's going to be a drizzly day for quite a few people in the northwest of England and Wales, and into Scotland again. Temperatures up to 11 or even 12 degrees in the southwest, going to feel very nice down there on Wednesday. Looking into the evening, you'll see that rain again over northern Wales and moving right through Ireland there and beginning to expand again by Thursday morning, affecting the central part of the country mainly, but areas further south could see some rain as well. Warmer temperatures in the south, you can see that temperature divide again, down to 4 in parts of northern England and Scotland. Looking into Thursday then, clearer skies in Scotland and the cloud transfers to the south completely now, and you'll see a mainly overcast day everywhere and possibly drizzly. More rain likely in the northwest over the Irish Sea into Ireland. Again, that temperature divide there, 7 in the north, 11 in the south. Into Thursday evening, you see that rain creeping up from the west, also a little bit drizzly in the northern part of England, and that's going to move through to the east. That rain band into Friday morning might just about reach the southwest part of Wales and England by the early hours of Friday morning. Up north in Scotland at least, it's going to be rather a chilly night as it's been rather dry there on Thursday night, clear, possibly down to freezing. Looking at the rest of Friday, that rain will continue down towards the south there, southwestern England not having a great day, but the rest of us not looking too bad at all. Partly cloudy for most areas and feeling very warm in comparison with what we've had recently. 10, 11, even 12 in the southwest, still a respectable 6 or 7 further north. And into Friday evening, that cloud will build up in the northern half of the country again. Further south, still looking okay, and will be clouding over a little bit later on, and that rain moving through the northern parts of Scotland again, only in the Outer Hebrides onto Friday night into Saturday morning. Warmer temperatures there as well. Certainly not a freeze on as we approach Christmas. By Saturday morning, the Western Isles will be seeing more rainfall. Further south again, it's looking partly cloudy, a mixed picture, but rain could increase from the north into northwestern England by the afternoon. But temperatures all across the board there on Saturday, 10 degrees or higher on the mainland. And that rain really coming through. This is a little bit far out now, so it could change, but looks like a heavy rain event into Christmas Eve, into the morning of Christmas Eve in western parts of Scotland, Northern Ireland, and into the Borders region. So overnight on Saturday into Sunday, there are the temperatures again, very warm where that band is. On either side, a little bit cooler, around 10 degrees, the low in the cities. On to Christmas Eve then. Those wondering about that white Christmas, it doesn't look particularly likely. The chances are melting away, along with any snow that's left by this point, even in Scotland it would appear. There are the highs on Sunday, 12 degrees in parts of southern England. You can stay up to date with the latest warnings on the website force13.com/ukwarn.html. You'll be pleased to know, or at least I am, that there aren't any more cold warnings for the time being, but we may have some wind and rain related warnings coming up sooner or later. That's all for now, stay tuned, next video's tomorrow.